Warren Buffett just made a huge move in oil, and you need to pay attention. Shares of Occidental Petroleum edged higher a couple weeks ago on Tuesday, June 11th, as Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway bought up even more of the stock, boosting its stake in the energy firm to almost 29%. Stay to the end of this video if you want to learn the shocking truth from the mouth of the CEO of this oil company. The latest trades, valued at more than $350 million, are Buffett's first purchase of the stock since September. Berkshire Hathaway now holds more than 200 million shares of Occidental, valued at $12.2 billion based on a close of $60.85 on Tuesday, June 11th. The Oracle of Omaha places significant weight on the quality of a company's management when executing his investment strategy, and he has previously sung the praises of Occidental CEO Vicki Hollub. If you want to learn more about why Buffett is obsessed with leadership, check out my video about Warren Buffett's investor letters explained. Warren told MSNBC, quote, "I read every word and said, this is exactly what I would be doing," Buffett said of the earnings release. "She's running the company the right way," he added, referring to Hollub. Hollub said on Monday, June 10th on CNBC that she had met Buffett just a few days ago, with the famed investor seeing a green light to add to his holdings. Please take a quick second to smash the like and subscribe buttons to learn more about business and investing. Back to the story. Following the oil firm's fourth quarter earnings presentation in February 2022, Buffett amassed a $4.5 billion stake in a matter of days, so Buffett has been pouring money into this oil company for months. The Omaha, Nebraska-based conglomerate bought almost 5.8 million shares of the oil company in a series of trades at prices ranging from $59.85 to $61.91 a share, the Tuesday night filing showed. This latest move in June by Buffett comes less than 2 weeks after his much-anticipated annual letter, in which he made no reference to energy. He's taking advantage of favorable oil prices and a 3% decline in Occidental this year. So Warren Buffett makes no mention of energy or oil in his letter in May, but makes a huge move all of a sudden in June. Very interesting indeed. Hollub, the CEO of Occidental, mentioned earlier, said on Monday, June 10th, that oil prices were in a good place, though there could be a supply issue by the end of the year, which could lead to higher prices. Did you hear that? Think about what this means. What does Buffett and this CEO Hollub know that we don't? To summarize, Berkshire Hathaway purchased more shares of oil company Occidental Petroleum every trading day from June 5th to June 17th, increasing its ownership by 7.3 million shares. Securities and Exchange Commission filings show. This tops off the investments he made earlier last in September. There is more. Berkshire also has warrants to buy 83.9 million more Occidental Petroleum shares at $59.62 apiece and owns 84,897 shares of preferred stock. Unlike an option, a warrant is issued by a company for a right to another company to purchase their stock at a set price. This tactic is used to attract investors like Warren Buffett. A full redemption of these warrants could bring Berkshire's ownership above 40%, though Buffett has previously said he wouldn't take control of the company. We will see about that. Shares of Occidental Petroleum finished 1.8% higher at Tuesday, June 11th. The stock has gained about 2.6% since the start of the year. This is a huge jump in a short amount of time, thanks to Buffett. Do you think it's time to get into oil with your investments? What do you think about Occidental Petroleum?